we are finishing up on the balloon where we left off. We started, I blew it up with the air blower, and then I used yarn and glue. So I used this glue. I used this, and I'm wrapping my balloon. Have most of it done. And then I'm gonna put a little more glue on here. So I am trying to get all of the glue out of here that I can. Ooh, it's a lot. And so we're just gonna add more yarn later. Just gonna let this one sit, okay? We'll add more later. Alright, so we're gonna leave this one, and I'm just gonna let this one dry, and I'll add more later to like put more yarn around those lines that's on the side. I'll let it dry, and then just gonna add a little more water on my brush, just a little bit. Bit that we do. And I'm just gonna go around it and saturate it. Just gonna saturate it so it can stick really nice. But remember, it's better to just use this one by itself and then use the water to help it spread out throughout the yarn on the balloon. Just put a little bit on there so it can dry together. And there is some glue some kinds of glue that you have to mix with water. But this one came already mixed. I'm just adding a little bit because it's so sticky. And I know it'll help it stick if I add a little bit more water to it. And I'm not gonna pop this one. I'm gonna just let it dry for a couple days and probably add more glue before I release the balloon. So that's looking good. Looking really good, guys. Boys and girls. I hope you all are having a lovely evening and staying cool and reading more books and doing fun activities like this. And I will show you the other finished product on my next video because I did 2 of these. So I will show you all the other one that I did. There we go. Make sure nothing's on there. And just like that, guys, boys and girls. I really like this glue. It works really well. all so much for watching, and I hope you're having fun. And now we can let it dry, and we'll have more projects coming up. Thank you. Have a great day.